Hi everybody, thank you for watching our latest video. On this video we're going to be showing you a quick walkthrough of one of our recent projects. So we've done a start to finish stencil / imprinted concrete driveway where we've used the stencil system to create the beautiful grouted effect that everyone loves stencil for, and we've used the textures that come along with imprinted concrete to give it a real lovely natural look. So as you can see in this video, we're pulling the stencils, we've just run the textured rollers or texture skins across the surface. We've removed the stencils. Now we're washing off our release powder to expose the beautiful pattern and style beneath. After that, we apply 2 coats of our resin sealer, which protects it and brings all the colours out so that it looks really effective. And after that, it's ready to be used. So I hope you've enjoyed this video so far, and watch till the end to see the end result.